Hey yo, what's going on guys? If you're new to the channel, my name is Savin Lakruwan and welcome to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a cool channel art for your YouTube channel. So this is the channel art that I'm currently using on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make this. So first of all, you will need a camera or a smartphone to take pictures like this. So I put a green screen behind me so that it will make easier for Photoshop to cut out the background. Now if you don't have a green screen or a green cloth, you can skip that step. Now you will have to take lots of pictures like this and select the good ones. Now after you have selected the good ones, what you have to do is go to Google and search for YouTube channel art template. Now if you don't want to search on Google because you're lazy, you can always go to the link in the description to download this. So now what you want to do is go to Photoshop, go to File, Open, and then go to the place where you have saved the YouTube channel art template and open it. Let me make this bigger a bit. Okay. So now what we want to do is select the rectangle tool and select your YouTube channel color. So my YouTube channel color is light blue, so I'll select light blue. So now what you want to do is make a rectangle on this gray color rectangle on top of that. As you can see now, our channel art is being created. So now what you want to do is go to File, Open, and select the good ones that you have picked, all of them, and open. So now give it a couple of minutes or seconds to load up, and after it loads, you can make it bigger. Now this is the trick, okay? So listen carefully. You should go here. This is called the quick selection tool. Select that and make sure this is selected. The plus icon, not the minus icon, but the plus icon. After that is selected, you can select your person or the thing that you want to be like, the thing which you want to have in your channel art. So after you select the part you want, hit Ctrl J, and as you can see, it has been a new layer. Now if you cancel this, as you can see, that is now selected. So now what you want to do is take this layer and drag it to this one, just like that. Then hit Ctrl T and resize it. You can hold Shift and resize it. Hold Shift and resize it. Now after you have done that, always make sure that your picture doesn't come out to this black rectangle, because that won't be shown in your YouTube channel. So now you do the same things to the others. So now you go here, select the plus icon, and you select the part you want, just like that. Ctrl J and take that to this. Control T and take this and shift, hold shift. Okay, now if you want, you can do this. I have done it to my one. You can like change the side you're looking or something like that. If you get it, just like that, and then you can mess with these pictures. And yeah, so in this picture, as you can see, this green color is also selected. So now what can you do if that is a problem for you? You have to go here and select the minus symbol, and then you can select the part that you don't want, just like that. Okay, now just like that, Control J and put that to your channel. Control D to select it, and then hit shift, hold shift, and then resize it. Just like that, you can mess around with it.
2 hours later.
So now, as you can see, I have put 1, 2, 3, 7 pictures just like that. So now what you want to do is put your channel name or your name. So my channel name is Savin Lakruwan, which is my name. So now what you want to do is select okay, so now what you want to do is add the text, right? So okay, so you put this text box and then type your channel name. So I'm gonna go with all capital. Okay, there we go, that's my channel name. Let me make that, then hit Control T and then place it the place where you want it, just like that. Hit the OK button. Now what you want to do is, as you can see, by the way, I have grouped these pictures. You can do that too. Now what you want to do is take this picture, the middle one. I'm going to take it out of the group and make sure the text is in front of all of these, and then hit this eye icon on the text that we put. Now what you want to do is select this, and as you can see, the hand is coming. We want to put this hand on top of this text. You get it? So let me show you how to do that. So you take this, let me zoom in. You make sure this is selected once again. Select your hand. Oh, and make sure this is selected, by the way. Okay, there we go. Okay, one hand is now selected. Let me select the other one. Just like that. Just like that. Now what you want to do is hit Control J, which will now duplicate this hand in another layer, separate layer. Now what you want to do is put the new layer that was made, which is the hand layer, put it up of this text. Now as you can see, our hand is in front of the text, as you can see. Now you can mess with the text, like take it up just like that. Now it's almost done, but I think we should make this text look a bit nicer. So you should go over here, right click, and go to blending options. Now after you go to blending options, this will pop up, and now what you want to do is maybe outer glow. Let's see. After you click this will come. Let's put black and see. Okay, that's a bit better. Let me measure the size of the outer glow. Drop shadow. Oh, that made it look a lot more better. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Inner glow, I don't like it. I think that looks good. You can mess with the settings a bit more if you want a nicer look. And so yeah, that's how you make the channel art. Now this is how you save it. Go to file, save as, and then select the place where you want to save it, and go. If you want to save it like a Photoshop file, you can always choose Photoshop PSD. Now if you want to save it as JPEG, which is what we want now to upload it to YouTube, you have to select JPEG, and yeah, give it a name and save it, and then there we go. And after you save that, you can go ahead and look. As you can see, it is now finished. So yeah, that's how you make the channel art. And when you upload the YouTube channel art, this part will not be seen, so don't worry about that. And yeah, that's how you make the channel art. So now when you're uploading a channel art, you go over here and you go to your channel, and then as you can see, this is my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And what you want to do is go over here. As you can see, there's this camera icon. Click on that. So now as you can see, this window will pop up just like that. Then it says channel art, upload a channel art, your photo gallery. Now what you want to do is drag your photo over here or select this. Now after you select that, this window will pop up, and then go to the place where you have saved your channel art, just like that. It will upload. So now as you can see, if someone is looking in TV, this will come like this, and in desktop this will look like this, and in mobile it's still loading. My internet is slow. So yeah, that's how you do it. My internet is slow, so it won't show how it will look in mobile app. And yeah, so you hit select, and yeah, I'm gonna hit cancel because I like what I have over here. And yeah, so that's how you make a channel art. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up And if you learn something, also give it a thumbs up. And please comment on this video. What is the video that I should make next? Thank you. Peace.